Hey guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now I finally made it back to Columbus, Ohio. I was in the Dallas-Fort Worth area for work. I was traveling back on Friday, yesterday, to come to Columbus, Ohio, but we were diverted to Chicago O'Hare, so I spent a night in Chicago and finally have made it back to Columbus, to say the least. So, you know, thanks for you guys reaching out to me. I had plenty of people in Dallas wanting to meet up and all that kind of stuff. I'll be back actually fairly soon, so we can meet up then. We'll try to plan something because it was just a spur of the moment and just with my schedule was a little insane. We'll be sure to do that. Now, like I said, I travel a lot to Dallas, so I'll be going there. And then Ontario, California, staying in Covina. So if you guys are in any of those areas, as far as the California area goes, we'll be sure to meet up and do that kind of stuff. As you can see, that my car is covered in all the snow that we got. So we got about like 6 inches or more snow, and it just, of course, with not having a garage until my new house is built, you know, it's gonna sit outside. 2 important videos coming out here very soon. They're both for Burger Motorsports stuff. Now, I have the Draggy Motorsports as far as it measures your 0 to 60, and it is all GPS verified. It's a great tool and it's a great thing. They have their app and everything else like that. I'm doing that video review as far as the product goes. They have a new improved jack puck so you don't damage your jacking points on your BMW. So I have the tested jack puck unit from Burger Motorsports that I'm going to show from you guys, so that way you can truly see the major differences from their last version to this new one. So those 2 videos are going to be coming the next 2 days, so you can check that out. And then I'm going to get back to trying to get my car buried out and we'll be good to go. Well, like I said, guys, thanks for the ones that reached out. We'll be sure to meet up. Like I said, I'll be back monthly, so chat with you then. And as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Glad to be home. Take care.